Good morning, students. Today I am with you with the topic of the calculus, that is of differentiation class 12. Today we will discuss the method or procedure of derivation of parametric functions. So before going on the derivation procedure to learn, we should know the meaning of parametric. Okay. So parametric function means if two functions are defined in the form of third variable. What does it mean? Suppose I am having function x. X is equal to, it is written as function t, and y is also written as function t. X and y are already two variables, so one more variables we are using. So that is what? T. That is what? T. This is t. So this is that type of function are called, it is visible not I am seeing, it is visible, yes. So that type of function are called parametric functions. Okay. So now how will you differentiate? So today I am going to tell you. So as you know very well, if we differentiate y in term of y with respect to x, we simply write it as dy by dx or function dash x or y1 or y dash. These are the different symbols to represent derivative or differentiation of variable y with respect to x. If we want to derivate u with respect to v, so what we write? That will be du upon dv. Visible or not? So I am checking. Yes, visible. So if I write, suppose, and one more thing, already discussed in class, what is differentiation actually? So if we want to change each and every function is independent or depend on each other. I mean, what is that? Suppose function I am writing function a, that is area of circle I am writing. If its radius is r, so what is this pi r square? What does it mean? It means that this area is depend on radius r. Area of this circle is depend on radius r. So if you want to write these words in term of differentiation is the thing that is the symbolic representation of change in one quantity with respect to other. Remember that change should be very small. So what should I am writing here? So if that is the matter, so I am writing here in symbolic form or in the form of derivative, that is dA upon dr. Until or unless it is not decided or not defined that this particular variables area, if area is varying with respect to radius, so I have dA upon dr. If simply said that change in area, so in that case it will be written as dA upon dt. In that case the radius will be silent, means the definition of the radius or the rule of the radius will be silent. So in that case, if we want to write derivative, so that will be dA upon dt. Clear? So now today I am going to telling to you how to differentiate parametric functions. So with the help of examples I will try to tell you. This is very important for actually this is the topic of today I am going to discuss for the applied mathematics student, and this is the very important method for the science or that is standard mathematics student also. So I hope that you are getting this one. So see, with the help of example I am going to tell you. With the help of example I want to tell you. See, so now we are using this one. It is better, I think, no? Okay. Suppose x is equal to given that a t square, and function y is given that it is 4t. Is it ink is visible or not? Visible तो है. Okay, now so if you want to differentiate it, so what should I write? X will be derived with respect of t, because these are parameter. Why, you know, just I told that two variables, so two functions x and y are defined or expressed in terms of third variable, that is t, or that type of parameter, that type of function or that type of functions are called that is parametric, और हिंदी में इसको प्रांचलिक बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? प्रांचलिक फलन, है ना, हिंदी मीडियम के लिए. सो मैथ्स में ज़्यादा हिंदी और इंग्लिश या कोई बर्डन ज़्यादा मायने नहीं रखता. सो नाउ व्हाट शुड आई राइट हियर? इट इज dx upon dt. So simple, it is a and that is t square, it is 2t, or equal to it, that is 2ad. Now go for another side, that is I am using which pen? Using this is better, what do I use it? So now it is dy by dx dt is equal to, that is 4 and derivative is 1, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So what we need finally, our motive is that is dy upon dx. So we have to eliminate t here. So dt is present from this side. So dt is here, so dy, how, what will you do? You divide dy by dx, sorry, dt divided by, in after practice, if you go for practice, so no need to write all steps. ये मैं आपको क्या बता रहा हूँ. This is what dx upon dt is equal to dy upon dt is what? 280 divided by 4. So now this sign of division will change into what? Sign of multiplication. After that I am writing here. So it will be dy by dt into, it is dt upon dx. You are seeing what is happening? This will going reciprocal. Is equal to what? It is cancelled 2 times. So it is 80 upon 2. It is. So now dt cancels. So what is left? So finally dy upon dx is dy by dx is equal to, that is 80 upon 2 or 1 upon 2 80. So this is the answer. So this is the way how to find out differentiation of parametric function. So one or two examples I am giving to you. So one question I am writing for science student. Okay, actually this is the in applied mathematics. So the function you have to derivate, that those functions which are based on trigonometry are avoided for the applied maths student, but in science student you have to solve all other type of problem, either a trigonometric function, logarithm function, or simple algebraic function. Note it down, and then I am going for next example. Suppose for the science student, it is visible or not. First important thing is that we should check that means 80 upon 2 is visible. Yes. So now next question is for science student. It is what? X equal to a sin t, y equal to b cos t. These are simple functions, okay? But for the examination, if it you are evaluated, you are checked by CBSE, so थोड़ा सा इससे लेवल ऊपर है ना, ग्रेड 2 टाइप के स्टूडेंट इतने इजी नहीं आएंगे, बट तरीका सबका सेम है. मैं थोड़ा सा एक टिपिकल क्वेश्चन भी बताऊंगा अभी आपको. सो इफ यू वांट टू डेरिवेट दिस वन, व्हाट यू विल गेट? ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू इरेजिंग दिस वन फर्स्ट. This is it is y equal to function t. दिखता होगा ना, कैसे दिखेगा? ओके, इट इज लाइट, थोड़ा सा ब्लैक यूज कर लेंगे. White I am using a white chicken. So now I am taking this one first. So it is what? Dx upon dt is equal to what? That is a, and derivative of this one is what? Cos t. Simple. Dy upon dt is equal to, that is b is the arbitrary constant, b will be as it is, and cos t, derivative cos t is that is minus sin t. Now result will be dy by dx is equal to, I told you dt dt cancel, so what is dy? dy I am using this one, dy with respect to x I want, so dy to be y वाला ऊपर आएगा minus b sin t upon a cos t. So result is minus b upon a, and it is what? Sin upon cos, that is tan t. This is the answer. Note it down. Note it down. So I am going for next question. Okay, next level of question is that is, I am writing here. That is x equal to t plus 1 upon t and y equal to t minus 1 upon t. So it is clear that this is a parametric function because x and y are expressed in term of t. So what is the derivative of this with respect to t, that is dx upon dt is equal to derivative is with respect to t 1 plus 1 upon t. So 1 upon t थोड़ा सा क्लास में रिकॉल करो मैं, 1 upon t is written as t की पावर minus 1, तो t की पावर minus is type of x की पावर n, और x की पावर n का डेरिवेटिव होता है nx to the power n minus 1. So writing here what is minus 1 t की पावर minus 1, so it is minus 1 t की पावर minus 2, so it is minus 1 upon t square. आपको याद रखना है derivative of 1 upon t is that is minus 1 upon t square, याद रखना. So here it will be what? So it is minus 1 upon t square. Okay, and now here derivative of this one is dy by dt is equal to 1, derivative is 1, minus 1 upon t का सेम आ गया, minus 1 upon t स्क्वायर, उस माइनस से माइनस क्या हो जाएगा प्लस, it is 1 upon t स्क्वायर. थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. So the LCM t square minus 1 upon t square, and it is also t square plus 1 upon t square. So if you find out dy upon, here I am writing space दिख रहा है थोड़ा यहाँ पे, it is dy by dx is equal to, so dy वाला ऊपर आएगा t square plus 1 upon t square, और मैंने अभी किया था बेटा किया था, सारे स्टेप नहीं लिखता हूँ, it is t square minus 1, it is cancelled. So result is that is t square plus 1 upon t square minus 1. So this is the solution of this problem. One more question I am writing, that is x square minus y plus less. That is a different type of question. So I will solve it. बता रहा हूँ आपको मैं. This question is common for both applied and standard, जो मैं लिखने जा रहा हूँ. This is also common for both. साइन वाले क्वेश्चन जो है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस वाले क्वेश्चन जो है, that is only for standard mathematics. तो उसमें इनको जो है रिलेट करके इनको अप्लाइड वाले को. So now note it. Okay. Next one is that is differentiate और डेरिवेटिव कुछ भी लिखना है. Derivate x square upon 1 minus x square with respect to x square, or sin inverse x with respect to x cube. Two questions I'm मेथड फॉर बोथ इज सेम. अभी तो हमने पढ़ा है डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y विद रिस्पेक्ट टू dy अपॉन dx फॉर वन वेरिएबल वी नो वेरिएबल ये हमें आता है. अभी हमने क्या x का t में dx अपॉन dt, y का t में dy अपॉन dt अभी किया, बट दिस इज अ लिटिल स्लाइटली डिफरेंस. सो क्या डिफरेंट है देखिए. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू नथिंग नॉट, इसको हम थोड़ा पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म में ले जाएंगे पहले. सो इसका इसके साथ सीधे डेरिवेट नहीं कर सकते. सो लेट अज्यूम कर लेंगे, लेट इसको हमने u मान लिया. u इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर, सॉरी एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन okay. Next function is it is written as let x equal to x square upon 1 minus x square with respect to not x actually. Question is, this is not question, derivate this with respect to x square. This is the question. So what you have to do, try to write in the form of parametric functions. Let introduce two more functions. Let u equal to x square upon 1 minus x square and v equal to that is x square. So it is type of parametric or not? U and v are defined in the form of x. So now what you have to do, it is du upon what? Dx. So derivate. So u upon v, quotient rule. 1 minus x square it is. So it is 1 minus x and v as it is. Derivative of u is 2x minus. Then again u यानी numerator and derivative this is 1 का 0 हो जाएगा, इसका minus 2x is equal to it is multiply कर लो 2x minus 2x cube, इससे इसको मल्टीप्लाई 2x cube यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करो माइनस माइनस प्लस 2x cube प्लस 2x cube अपॉन 1 minus x square and it is whole square. अब इसकी बात ऐसा इज वेरी सिंपल. dv upon dx is equal to 2x. So now what do we learn? U and v are there. U is one function. U is one function. This is u and this is what v. So what do we need? We need du upon dv. What do we need? With respect of this we have to find out. So v नीचे आना है. So it is du upon dv is equal to u वाला ऊपर यानी ये. This is part of numerator. 2x will cancel 2x cube. दिख रहा है पहले चेक करना है. Visibility is yes दिख क्यों रहा है? So now what do we numerator part of numerator left? 2x upon 1 minus x square whole square divided by that is what 2x. So equal to it can be write as 2x upon 1 minus x square whole square and it is divided by 2x. 2x will cancel by 2x. So result will be finally it will be what 1 upon 1 minus x square and whole square. This is the answer. Note it down. And a few more problems I will be come with you with for the standard maths student. That is what? That is parameter function on based on that is trigonometric functions.